In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Asana. If you've ever wished for a quick, flexible way to group related work across different projects, tags are your friend. They're lightweight labels you can attach to tasks to make them easier to find, sort, and scan. Think of them like color-coded sticky notes that travel with your tasks wherever they live in Asana. Let's start with adding a tag. Open any task so you're looking at its details. With the task active, press Tab plus T on your keyboard. That shortcut brings up the tag field instantly so you don't have to hunt through menus. Begin typing the name you want. As you type, Asana will suggest any existing tags that match your text. If you see the one you want, select it to apply it. If not, finish typing the name to create a new tag right on the spot. Keep tag names short and clear, like urgent Q3 or design review, so your team recognizes them at a glance and uses them consistently. Next, let's make your tag stand out with color. On the task, click the tag you just added to open its tag page. At the top, you'll see the tag's name. Click the small arrow next to that name to pick a color. Choose a hue that means something to you and your team, maybe red for urgent, green for approved, or purple for a specific campaign. The color you choose will show up anywhere that tag appears, which makes it much faster to scan a busy task list and spot what matters. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same menu and update the color in a couple of clicks. Finally, use your tags to search and organize your work in seconds. Anytime you see a tag in Asana, whether on a task, in a list, or in a board view, click it. Asana will immediately display all tasks that share that label, pulled together across projects and sections. It's like turning on a quick filter that cuts through the noise. From that tag view, you can review what's in progress, check due dates, and confirm owners without digging through multiple projects. This is especially helpful for tracking themes like blockers, release candidate, or a specific client or sprint name. That's all you need to get real value from tags. Add them with Tab plus T and a clear name. Add a color from the tag's arrow menu to boost visibility, and click any tag to see every task with that label. Try it on a few tasks today and watch your workflow click